Sawadee Cup, welcome to Thailand News Today, another outdoor edition. And even though it's slightly overcast here today, I have to say it's stinking hot out here, and I'll be looking forward to getting back into the comfort of the air conditioning. In the meantime, let's get started with the news. And we start today with the news that the emergency decree in Thailand will probably be extended for another month. That'll take it up to the end of May. Now, the emergency decree gives the Prime Minister sweeping powers, which he gets through the Thai constitution in a situation like this. The Centre for COVID-19 Situation Administration today decided to extend the decree until the end of May and has made the recommendation accordingly. The decision means the night curfew from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. will continue, no social gatherings allowed and only limited inter-provincial travel. Some other restrictions will remain, although the details have not yet been announced. The Cabinet meets tomorrow to discuss the recommendations. Seeing the Thai Prime Minister chairs both, you can probably take it as passed. The Commerce Ministry today has made an announcement that along with 20 other Thai companies, many household items will be discounted by up to 68%. That's good for all of us. The Minister says that 3,025 consumer products have now been discounted by up to 68%. The cheaper goods will be available until June the 30th. Companies who are collaborating in the discounts include 20 consumer product manufacturers around 13 provinces. The companies consist of Big C, Macro, Foodland, CJ Express, Svensson's, CP All, The Mall, Max Value, Tops, Gourmet Market, Home Fresh Mart and Family Mart. Today, the CSSA have announced 9 new cases over the past 24 hours of COVID-19, plus 1 additional death. That takes the national toll to 2,931. With 1 new fatality, Thailand's death toll rises to 52. 2,609 patients have recovered and returned home, while 270 are undergoing treatment in hospital. No new cases were reported in Bangkok in the past 24 hours. But Phuket is still battling a small cluster in the coastal Bang Tao community. Another case has been reported in the same area and 1 new death. But one of the island's recoveries was a 97-year-old granny from Bang Tao. She's been discharged from hospital today, having fully recovered from the virus. The woman's son, who posted on Facebook, credited excellent medical care coupled with the elderly lady's will to add some more digits to her already great age. We wish her many more years of health and happiness. Well, the Bangkok Metropolitan Authority has come in for some flack after some very judicious pruning of some of the city's trees. Some of the city's green shade was cut back to bare, ugly stumps. Trees along Witayu Road near Lumpini Park have been chopped down to their lower trunks. A similar fate has befallen the trees in the city's Swish Saton district. A local conservation group has taken to social media to share photos of the botched tree trimming, and the BMA's come in for some harsh criticism from, well, everyone. An orthopaedic clinic in the southern province of Yala is currently the centre of a COVID-19 alert after a patient didn't reveal that he had COVID-19. Health authorities are now scrambling to track down all those who visited the clinic on April the 23rd, urging them to report immediately to their local health office for screening. The clinic says its staff are now in self-quarantine for 14 days. One doctor said he had close contact with the infected patient, but is so far not showing any signs of infection. A Nok Air passenger who travelled from Nakhon Si Thammarat to Bangkok last Friday has posted photos showing not very good social distancing. The post said the airline notified passengers that it had to make a detour to Trang Airport to pick up additional passengers. The detour not only caused a 2-hour delay, but social distancing measures and alternate seating to prevent COVID-19 from spreading could not be implemented, as the added passengers filled up the plane. In response, Thailand's Civil Aviation Authority Director General says the mandatory measures only come into effect from May the 1st. So far, Thai Air Asia and Thai Lion Air say they will resume limited domestic flights starting May the 1st. Meanwhile, Thai Smile, the short-haul subsidiary of Thai Airways, has announced that it's ready to resume services for domestic routes on June the 1st. Limited destinations will be available and likely only be destinations in provinces that have not had reported cases for the past 28 days. And the ban on scheduled international flights is also being extended. It's now been extended till May the 31st. The Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand says they're going to extend the ongoing ban, currently scheduled to end on April the 30th. The first of the temporary closures was announced back on April the 4th. Well, that's it for today's Thailand News Today, our outdoor edition. Hope you've enjoyed a bit of fresh air. Nice cool breeze coming through now, but we'll probably be back indoors tomorrow because they're predicting a little bit of rain. In the meantime, thank you very much for joining us today. You can subscribe down here. We'll see you tomorrow.